Discover the amazing properties and benefits of Matico, a plant native to Latin America that has been used in natural medicine for centuries. In this video by The Daily Eco, we'll discuss the most common uses of Matico, as well as how to prepare it and take it safely. So, let's get started. Properties of the Matico plant. Matico is an American plant that is widely used in natural medicine thanks to its active ingredients. Some of these active ingredients include digestive, astringent, analgesic, purgative, diuretic, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, among many others. Matico is used to both prevent and alleviate a variety of conditions and diseases. Well, now that you know its properties, let's explore the main benefits of this plant. Uses for the skin. Matico is commonly used on the skin to stop minor bleeding, soothe bites, treat minor infections, and heal wounds. It is also beneficial for treating skin diseases and symptoms such as acne and ulcers. In fact, many creams and lotions on the market contain Matico. Digestion and digestive problems. Matico infusion can be used to relieve or prevent heavy digestion and regulate intestinal transit. It can also help to relieve the symptoms of stomach ulcers, diarrhea, and gastritis. Treatment for fluid retention. Matico can also be used to treat fluid retention, improve lymphatic and blood circulation, and eliminate toxins. It is also appropriate to prevent and treat various conditions such as gallstones, kidney stones, inflammations, and urinary tract infections. All of these is due to its diuretic and cleansing properties, which can also help with weight loss when fluid retention is the problem. Mouth care. Matico is also used to prevent oral infections and relieve gum discomfort and pain after tooth extraction. This is possible thanks to its calming, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic properties. Treatment of respiratory problems. Matico's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antitussive properties make it useful for treating bronchitis, tonsillitis, and pneumonia, as well as preventing and treating the common cold. Matico reduces fever, relieves coughing lesions, and improves the immune system. It is important to know that you should not self-diagnose or self-medicate. If you are considering using Matico to treat any of the conditions mentioned, please consult with your doctor first. But before we continue, let's put you to a test. What other name is the Matico plant known by? A. Spiked pepper, B. Miracle plant, C. Peppercorn. Have you thought about it yet? The correct answer is A. Matico is also known as spiked pepper because it has small, sharp spikes on its leaves. How to prepare and drink Matico. The most common and effective way to take Matico is as an infusion. To prepare a Matico infusion, you will need 50 grams of Matico leaves, 1 liter of water, sugar or another sweetener. Instructions: bring the water to a boil, add the Matico leaves and simmer for 10 minutes, remove the pan from the heat and cover it, let the infusion rest for 5 minutes, strain the infusion to separate the leaves and keep the liquid, and finally add sugar or another sweetener to taste. Again, this is optional. Other uses of Matico. In addition to drinking it as an infusion, Matico can be used in the following ways. 1. To stop light bleeding. Spray the Matico leaves directly on the wound. 2. To treat hemorrhoids. Clean the affected area with the Matico infusion. 3. Relieve constipation. Use the Matico infusion as an enema. 4. To treat herpes. Apply the Matico leaves in powder or infusion to the lesion. And finally, to relieve joint pain, macerate the root of the plant in water for 2 weeks and then apply it as a poultice. Contraindications of Matico. Before taking Matico, it is important to be aware of its main contraindications. Matico is not recommended for pregnant women or women who are breastfeeding, people with diabetes, and people who are allergic to any of its components. It is also important not to overuse Matico, as this can be harmful to your health. It is very important to consult with your doctor before starting to take Matico so that they can determine the recommended dose and advise you on whether it is safe for you to take, given any medications you might be taking. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and until next time.